Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In today's fast-paced world, owning a reliable electric air pump for your car is indispensable. Whether it's topping up tire pressure before a long journey or inflating sports equipment on the go, having the right tool at hand can make all the difference. With an abundance of options flooding the market, finding the perfect electric air pump can be overwhelming. To ease your search, we've meticulously curated a list of the top 5 best car electric air pumps combining performance, durability, and user-friendliness. These air pumps have been carefully selected based on their efficiency, portability, and overall value, ensuring that you make an informed decision when it comes to keeping your tires inflated and adventures on track. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list of the top 5 best car electric air pumps, designed to meet your inflation needs with ease and precision. Number 5. CARSUN Electric Air Pump. The CARSUN Electric Air Pump is a versatile and efficient tool for inflating various items, such as car tires, bicycles, sports balls, and more. With its compact design and lightweight construction, it's a handy device to keep in your vehicle for emergencies or everyday use. One of the standout features of this air pump is its digital display, which makes it incredibly easy to read and monitor the air pressure while inflating. This ensures precise inflation every time, preventing over or underinflation, which can prolong the life of your tires and ensure optimal performance. I particularly appreciate the portability of the CARSUN electric air pump. With dimensions of just 4.4 centimeters in height, 6.6 centimeters in width, and 16 centimeters in length, and weighing only 550 grams, it's small enough to fit in the glove compartment or trunk without taking up too much space. This makes it ideal for travel and outdoor activities where access to air pumps may be limited. Number 4. CARSUN 3106 Electric Air Pump. First and foremost, let's talk about its portability. This air pump is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in my car without taking up much space. Whether I'm going on a road trip or camping excursion, having the CARSUN 3106 on hand gives me peace of mind, knowing that I can quickly inflate my tires or other inflatables whenever needed. One of the standout features of the CARSUN 3106 is its fast inflation speed. With an air volume of 25 min, I can inflate my car tires or bike tires in a matter of minutes, saving me valuable time and effort. Additionally, the digital display screen provides real-time information, allowing me to monitor the inflation process closely. Number 3. XIAOMI MJCQB06QW Pump 2. The first thing that caught my attention was the sleek and compact design of the XIAOMI Pump 2. It's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, making it highly portable. The minimalist aesthetic is typical of XIAOMI's products, and it's something I appreciate. In terms of performance, the XIAOMI Pump 2 exceeded my expectations. It's surprisingly powerful for its size, inflating tires relatively quickly. I particularly liked the preset pressure feature, which allows you to save your preferred pressure settings for different inflatables. This makes the process even more convenient, as you don't have to manually adjust the pressure every time. Number 2. BUVAYE Car Jump Starter and Air Compressor. Firstly, let's talk about power. With a peak current of 1008, this compact device packs a serious punch. Whether it's jump starting a dead battery in freezing temperatures or inflating tires on the go, the BUVAYE Jump Starter handles it all effortlessly. I've used it multiple times in various situations, and it has never failed to deliver the required power. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. Apart from jump-starting vehicles, it doubles up as an air compressor. This feature has come in handy numerous times, especially during long road trips, when tire pressure needs monitoring and adjusting. The built-in air compressor works efficiently and inflates tires quickly, saving both time and hassle. Number 1. BASEUS Wireless Car Air Compressor. The BASEUS Wireless Car Air Compressor is a game-changer when it comes to on-the-go tire inflation. As a frequent traveler and outdoor enthusiast, having a reliable and efficient air compressor is crucial, and this product exceeds expectations in every aspect. First and foremost, the wireless feature adds a level of convenience that is unmatched. No longer do I have to worry about finding a power source or dealing with tangled cords. With its built-in 6000 mAh battery capacity, this compressor offers true portability, allowing me to inflate my tires anywhere, anytime. The construction of the compressor is top-notch, with ABS material ensuring durability and longevity. Despite its sturdy build, it remains lightweight, making it easy to handle and store in my vehicle without taking up much space. Thanks for watching this video.